Welcome back, guys, to another Mesh pre-weekly technicals. Drop a like, subscribe, really helps us out. So if we look on the monthly on the SP 500, we're still showing bullish structure, broken through a couple of these zones, which, as we can see in the past, these big wicks to the downside, showing us a lot of support in this area, big wicks to the upside resistance. So it's an important area that we've saved over the last couple of months. Price has just been making big bullish moves to the upside. So if we have a look down into the weekly, in the weekly, once again, nice clean bullish structure. We've been trading within these ranges. Obviously, you can see the wicks to the downside, price come all the way down and then pulled back up inside this range. Like I say, price has been consolidating on the weekly in this range for a while, and now we're starting to see it break out of that range. So we broke these previous highs with also consolidation. Like I say, we broke this consolidation around 4175, and we've started to see a big move to the upside. Obviously, we've got this wick on the previous week. Obviously, the week just gone, we've got a nice wick to the downside. It's a nice bullish candle. The week before that, we got this bit of a bullish hammer, so showing that price did come down, grab liquidity from this area, and then left us this big wick and broke and closed above all of this previous consolidation and these highs. So if we have a look what that looks like, going down into a smaller time frame. So if we go down into the daily, once again on the daily, showing nice clean bullish structure again. So as mentioned before, we have been seeing this consolidation within 4200 and 4130 around this area. We've seen a lot of consolidation, and now we started to see over the last few days price has broken out of that area, and now we've absolutely ripped upwards. We've broken through this zone, through this previous consolidation. So right now, if we go back into the weekly, we're looking at, so obviously as mentioned before, we've got, when you look at the support established here around 4300, a lot of support established once again. See these big wicks to the downside. So you say we can see it, price did come down all the way through this range, and then it's pulled right back up. So if we look at the price around 4300, we're seeing a lot of support. Once we establish support, we're seeing a lot of buying pressure coming into the market. So they say we found price did come up to this area, tapped it, and established resistance, and then you can see what kind of move. Once we did establish resistance there, you can see we've seen a massive move to the downside. So we've got the potential now. We're showing, we're clearly bullish on the monthly, clearly bullish on the weekly, clearly bullish on the daily. Sorry. But yeah, we're clearly making bullish structure, but we have to see what happens now once price taps this 4300 area. I'm expecting a bit of a pullback. So if we go down into, let's say, an 8-hour time frame, yeah, we're still a lot of buying pressure in the market, but I say I'll be waiting for price to tap this 4300 area. If we do break above and we establish support, then we could take trades off that area. But just looking at our prices now, we've had this big move. We broke through this. Obviously, we had this small range on the 4-hour. So we had that range on the 4-hour. But we had that bit of consolidation. Price pulled back down to the bottom of this range around 4160, grabbed liquidity, and then we've broken up, and then we've broke and retested this area around 4220, and now we've established support there. We've broken up through this 4245 area. Like I say, I'm expecting price to tap this 4300 area and then pull back into either the 4245 area, establish support before taking off, or I'd like to see this area. Obviously, we see these gaps down here, and obviously, so yeah, so we've got this area here, 4245. If price established support here, we could be taking trades back up into this 4300 area and trading this range. but I would like to see price come back and have a established support at 42.20. And then failing that, we could be pulling back inside this range. And once again, we've got multiple areas of interest in this range with the 4200 area and we got the 4175 area. But I say it's all about adapting and reacting and just seeing where we can establish support. But I will be expecting a pullback on S&P. So basically, my highest areas, I'll be expecting a pullback into this region here, 4220 to take trades off and potentially 4200. Obviously, just having to see if price can establish support there before taking any trades. But yeah, just those are my areas. Like, so we got 4220, 4240, and 4300 if we can break and establish support. But yeah, I think price is going to tap the 4300 area and then pull back somewhere into this range. But yeah, once again, always build up your confidence, as we could see some choppy price action this week. We haven't got much fundamentals, but there is a lot of indecision in the market at the minute. So just build your confidences, guys, and make sure to take only the highest probability trades, quality over quantity. But that's what I'm waiting for on the S&P 500.